My name is Pulido. I'm an orthopedic surgeon. I'm a husband and father. My specialty and my passion in orthopedics is joint reconstruction, which is treatment of hip and knee arthritis. So most of our patients come to see us with disabling hip and knee pain. It comes in different ages. It could be someone in their 20s or 30s, or more frequently patients close to retirement or after retirement, because the prevalence of hip and knee arthritis starts to grow in those patients. So majority of my patients come with disabling hip and knee pain secondary to wear anterior arthritis. My philosophy when I treat patients, I like to put myself in their shoes, or I like to treat them as if they're one of my family members. So for me, every patient that comes in my office, I make sure they feel welcome, they feel that they're receiving their best possible care, and they're receiving the right treatment for their condition. I feel like I have the best job in the world. I'm privileged. I'm privileged because my why or my reason to do what I do comes with the satisfaction of helping others. And that is very rewarding. And also, fortunately, the field that I choose with joint replacement surgery, we get really good results. So we see those patients that come back to us really, we changed their lives. They're really happy with the care they provided. They don't have pain anymore. They improve their mobility. They're getting back to doing the things that they enjoy doing. So for me, that's the purpose of what I do. Florida Orthopaedic Institute stands above other orthopedic centers because of our culture. We have a culture of excellence and trust, and we will provide the best world-class treatment for patients with musculoskeletal problems.